Hey guys! Today I'll be showing you how I made this BTS sweatshirt using my Cricut, Infusible Ink, or just any sublimation paper, and my Easy Press, or an iron. So first things first, you're going to upload your image onto Cricut Design Space as a cut file, and then you're going to size it to however you want. For comparison, I had a medium sweatshirt and my main logo was 10 inches tall, while my other logo was 2.5 inches tall. And once you're happy with your sizing, click Make It. Here you can see that I'm rearranging my image to maximize the use of my transfer sheet. And since we're using Infusible Ink, don't forget to hit that mirror option. After you're done arranging it, click Continue and connect it to your Cricut. And then make sure that the knob on your Cricut is turned to the Custom option so that you could use the Cricut Infusible transfer sheet. Now your Cricut is ready to be loaded and cut. So for this specific project, I'm using Cricut's brand of Infusible Ink, the Galaxy theme, but you can use any pattern in any sublimation brand that you want. This is the exact sheet that I chose for this project. Place your pattern onto your cutting mat with the design on top and the shiny side down. Now your mat is ready to load into your Cricut. Make sure that the knob is on the custom setting and that you chose the Cricut Infusible Ink transfer sheet option on your computer or your iPad. Then hit the cut button. Once it's done cutting, remove it from the machine and start weeding. It's paper so it feels weird, but just weed it as you would with any other iron-on project. Once you're done weeding your design, it's time to preheat your iron. Here I'm using my Cricut Easy Press 1, and the highest temperature it can go at is 360 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm just going to press it for a longer time. If you can, get yours up to 385 degrees Fahrenheit and you won't have to press for long. Since this is sublimation, you want to make sure that your fabric is at least 50% polyester. I'm using this Gildan brand sweatshirt and it's about 60% polyester. While the iron is preheating, I like to prep my fabric. So I use a lint roller to roll away any lint that can absorb the ink. I also like to iron out any wrinkles that are on the sweatshirt. And here's a trick I use to get my design in the middle. I fold my sweatshirt perfectly in half, and then I iron down the center of the sweatshirt. This will give me a crease right down the middle of the sweatshirt so that I can use it whenever placing my design. Now you're ready to place your design onto the sweatshirt. Using that crease that we created earlier, place your design face down using that crease for the middle of the design. Once you're happy with your placement, it's time to iron. Before ironing, I like to use parchment paper for protection. So I use two sheets, one under the design inside the sweatshirt and one on top between the iron and the design. Then I am going to press firmly with my iron onto the design for 2 minutes. Since my design was a little bit bigger than my iron, I do lift it up and place it onto the unironed portion for another 2 minutes, making it a total of 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes have gone by, I lift the iron from my sweatshirt and I carefully remove the parchment paper. At this point, you want to carefully remove the design from your sweatshirt, making sure that the ink has successfully transferred onto your sweatshirt. Then flip to the back side and repeat all the same steps. And that's it! You're finally complete with your BTS sweatshirt. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need help with anything else, especially Cricut related, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.